Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cheap car buffers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Goplus electric powerful rotary car buffer. Anyone needing more power will find this Goplus rotary polisher has plenty to offer. With 6 speeds, this tool is built for heavy-duty tasks, while the soft start feature reduces the polishing compound from spattering or loss of control once contact is made due to the high power output. Safety features include a safety trigger button to avoid accidental activation, and the kit consists of a sturdy case, 2 polishing bonnets, and polishing pads. Wow, pretty much sums this one up, expressed one shopper. This car polisher kit has 6 different speed settings and is very easy to use. It has some power. I would recommend using setting 1 when beginning to polish because I feel it could get away from you at a higher speed. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Black & Decker buffer. This waxer polisher from Black & Decker is a steal at under $32 US. At this price point, it's packed full of features you'd expect to see on a more expensive model. The random orbit runs at 4,400 orbits per minute for quality and swirl-free jobs. The extra long 10-foot cord means this orbiter can be used not only to polish a car but an RV or a boat as well. One buyer described, applications were flawless, but, as many reviewers mention, toss the factory-supplied pads and purchase some high-quality wool. This is not a commercial unit, so it may take 3 or 4 times over a single area. Know that up front, but the cost is silly cheap for great quality. At number 3, we have the Avid Dual Action Buffer. This highly rated dual action polisher from Avid Power is capable of buffing, waxing, and polishing a vehicle's paint to a glossy shine. This buffer polisher comes with a polishing pad for each application, and the variable speed has 6 different settings for any task. This versatile buffer can, with the correct pads, also be used to sand metal or wood. One purchaser who gave this product 5 stars wrote, "This dual-action polisher random orbital car buffer works like a champ. Did a great job restoring the faded paint on my car." Another happy customer added, "This DA is well worth the buy. It's not too loud, and with it being dual action, no swirl marks, and very easy to use." At number 2, we have the DeWalt Variable Speed Buffer. For a heavy-duty buffer polisher, this random orbit DeWalt buffer received 98% satisfied customer reviews. While not the cheapest on our list, it's worth every penny when considering its features are pretty much professional level, including 600 to 3,500 revolutions per minute variable speed with a soft start and a molded and notched rubber handle that provides maximum control. Other features include wool ingestion shields to reduce wool ingestion and maximize tool life. Fantastic product, expressed one shopper. Excellent control of all the variable speeds. Quality product, well manufactured and put together. Superb results on polishing my cars. And finally, at number 1, we have the ENEACRO Polisher Car Buffer. Any detailing enthusiast will find this lightweight and variable speed control rotary buffer from ENEACRO a great addition to their car maintenance toolbox. This powerful car buffer polisher has 6 and 7-inch backing plates and a no-load speed of up to 3,500 revolutions per minute. This car polisher machine comes with a foam applicator bonnet, polishing pad, sandpaper, 2 removable handles, and 2 carbon brushes. One buyer reported, "I was a bit intimidated with this at first because I'd never used a rotary polisher before, but it actually ended up being super easy to use. I really like that you can switch the handle to different spots depending on what you need or what's most comfortable. It kept up with the workload great and wasn't too heavy to hold." Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.